Hello and welcome to yet another Lingala lesson. Remember that we are so far continuing to count numbers. I'm teaching you how to count numbers in Lingala. So in our previous lesson, we talked about how to count numbers from 31 to 40. So at the point of 40, we said that 40 in Lingala is called Ntuku minei, that we have 4 tens, so that is Ntuku minei. Now using the same principles that we explained earlier, so when you want to count from number 41, you simply need to have 40 as your base and then you add a number on 40. So we have said that 40 is Ntuku minei. Therefore, 41 is Ntuku minei na moko. 42 is Ntuku minei na mibale. 43 is Ntuku minei na misato. 44 is Ntuku minei na minei. Then 45 is Ntuku minei na mitano. 46 is Ntuku minei na motoba. 47 is Ntuku minei na sambo. 48 is Ntuku minei na mwambe. 49 is Ntuku minei na libua. Then for 50, we will just say Ntuku mitano, that we have 10 5 times. So Ntuku mitano. So you'll see that it's actually a very repetitive process. It is extremely predictable. So once you say Ntuku minei, then the following number, so Ntuku minei being 40, then the following number, or a number between 40 and 50, you just say 40 and that number. So Ntuku minei na. So if you say Ntuku minei na moko, then that is 40 and 1. So then that becomes 41. So let us now just quickly go through the numbers between 41 and 50. So just say these after me so that we are able to concretize and strengthen what we've already learned. So Ntuku minei, so that is 40. So now counting from 40, I'll say Ntuku minei, that is 40. Ntuku minei na moko. Ntuku minei na mibale. Ntuku minei na misato. Ntuku minei na minei. Ntuku minei na mitano. Ntuku minei na motoba. Ntuku minei na sambo. Ntuku minei na mwambe. Ntuku minei na libua. Ntuku mitano. So that's actually how to count numbers in Lingala between 41 and 50. So thank you for watching this lesson, and remember to subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, which is Mwalimu Chris Care.